morning to everyone. Today we are discussing the fourth unit, Introduction to the Frequency Response Analysis. So in this unit, what are the frequency domain specifications? What are the derivations of frequency domain specifications? And the correlation between frequency response and time response. The correlation between the frequency domain specifications and the time domain specifications, and board plot, polar plot, and the Nyquist plot. So these three plots are very, very important: board plot, polar plot, Nyquist plot. Okay. So today, what are the frequency domain specifications? So the frequency domain specifications. The frequency domain specification 6. Okay. First one, resonant peak. Second one is resonant frequency, bandwidth, cutoff rate, and cutoff frequency. Cutoff rate and cutoff frequency. Cutoff rate and the cutoff frequency. Gain margin and phase margin. So the resonant peak, resonant frequency, bandwidth, cutoff rate, gain margin, and the phase margin. Okay. So first, what is meant by resonant peak? What is meant by resonant frequency? What is bandwidth? What is cutoff rate? What is gain margin? What is phase margin? Okay. First, the resonant peak means the maximum value of magnitude of closed loop transfer function is called resonant peak. Okay. So already when I'm discussing the time domain specifications, the peak time is the maximum peak value in the closed loop transfer function or the loop, which is called the peak time. So the resonant peak means the maximum value of magnitude of closed loop transfer function is called resonant peak. It is denoted M suffix R. Okay. The maximum value of magnitude of closed loop transfer function is called resonant peak. And the resonant frequency means ఈ maximum value of magnitude ఎక్కడైతే వస్తుందో అక్కడ వచ్చే ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీని ఏమంటాం? resonant frequency. Okay. Resonant peak means the maximum value of magnitude of closed loop transfer function is resonant peak. The resonant frequency means the frequency at which the resonant peak, the frequency at which the resonant peak occurs is called resonant frequency. The resonant frequency is the frequency at which the resonant peak occurs is called the resonant frequency, omega r. Okay. So and the bandwidth, next third one is bandwidth, the frequency at which the gain is -3 decibels. Bandwidth means the frequency at which gain is -3 decibel is called cutoff frequency. -3 decibels దగ్గర వచ్చే gain of frequency నే cutoff frequency అంటాం. And the bandwidth is usually defined for closed loop system, and it transmits the signal whose frequencies are less than cutoff frequency. So bandwidth means bandwidth is usually defined for closed loop system, and it transmit the signal, okay, whose frequency are less than cutoff frequency. ఏమా ఏ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ అయితే లెస్ దాన్ కట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఉంటుందో ఆ సిగ్నల్ ని ట్రాన్స్మిట్ చేసేదాన్నే మనం ఏమంటాం బ్యాండ్ విడ్త్. ఓకే, సో and the cutoff rate, what is cutoff rate? The slope of the magnitude curve nearly cutoff frequency. The slope of the magnitude curve, the slope of the magnitude curve nearly cutoff frequency is called cutoff rate. Okay, so frequency domain specifications 6. First one resonant peak, second one resonant frequency, third bandwidth, fourth cutoff frequency, and cutoff rate. Cutoff frequency and cutoff rate. Fifth one gain margin, sixth one phase margin. Okay, so first resonant peak. Resonant peak means the maximum value of magnitude of closed loop transfer function is called resonant peak. ఏమా సో మనకి ఏదైనా ఒక క్లోజ్డ్ లూప్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ యొక్క మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఏదైతే మ్యాక్సిమం వస్తుందో, ఏదైతే ఫైనల్లో వస్తుందో దాన్నే ఏమంటాం రెజోనెంట్ పీక్. ద మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ magnitude of closed loop transfer function is called resonant peak. Resonant frequency అంటే ఏంటి? ఈ రెజోనెంట్ పీక్ దగ్గర వచ్చే ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీనే రెజోనెంట్ పీక్, రెజోనెంట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అంట. ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఎట్ విచ్ ద రెజోనెంట్ పీక్ ఈస్ అకర్డ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ రెజోనెంట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. And the bandwidth means the frequency at which the gain is -3 decibel is called cutoff frequency. Gain -3 decibel gain దగ్గర వచ్చే frequency నే cutoff frequency అంట. Okay, so the bandwidth is usually defined for closed loop system and it transmit the signal whose frequencies are less than cutoff frequency. And the cutoff rate means the slope of the magnitude curve nearly cutoff frequency is called cutoff rate. And gain margin, this is very important. Gain margin, gain margin means 1 by modulus of G of j omega PC. What is PC? Phase crossover frequency. PC means phase crossover frequency. So -180 degrees is touching in the magnitude plot, sorry, phase plot. -180 degrees phase plot ni ekkadaithe touch chestado ఆ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీనే ఫేజ్ క్రాస్ ఓవర్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అంటాం. ఓకే, అండ్ ద గెయిన్ మార్జిన్ 20 log modulus 1 by determinant of G of j omega PC, j omega PC. Okay, and the phase margin, so the phase margin is defined as additional phase lag to the added at gain crossover frequency in order to bring the system stable. So the what is the formula of phase margin? So the phase margin is 180 degrees plus gain crossover frequency, gain crossover frequency, where phase of gain crossover frequency means the angle of G of j omega pc, G of j omega pc. Okay, so these are the frequency domain specifications. Next, derive the frequency domain. So the first one, resonant peak. First, in the standard form of closed loop second order system, already manaku telusu kadamma, what is the standard form of closed loop second order system? The standard form of closed loop second order system is C of S by R of S is equal to omega n square by S square plus 2 neta S omega n plus omega n square. Okay, so you are finding the frequency domain, frequency response. So the frequency response means put S is equal to j omega. So manaki S domain lo unna equation lo S is replaced j omega. So ikkada manaki S domain equation undi kadamma, in this is the transfer function. So in this transfer function, replacing S is equal to j omega. So m of j omega is equal to omega n square by j omega whole square plus 2 neta omega n into j omega. S is replaced j omega plus omega n square. So j square means minus 1. So j square omega square is minus omega square plus j into 2 neta omega into omega n plus omega n square. Okay, so in the frequency domain, frequency response, so put S is equal to j omega in the transfer function. This is the standard form of closed loop second order system. Okay, so S is equal to j omega substitute and minus omega n. So in the numerator omega n square, so in the denominator common omega n square. So in the denominator equation lo omega n square common thiyandi. So omega n square is common. So 1 plus omega n square is common. So in the denominator omega n, so j into 2 neta omega by omega n, 1 plus j into 2 neta omega by omega n minus omega by omega n square. Okay, so omega by omega n, you are take one of the constant, it is u. Take any constant, omega by omega n is u. Okay, so let the normalized frequency, u means normalized frequency, u is equal to omega by omega n. So 1 by 1 minus u square plus 2 neta into u. Okay, so in this transfer function, magnitude means, what is the formula of magnitude? So the magnitude of formula is square root of a square plus b square. What is the phase angle? This is the magnitude, and the phase angle is tan inverse of b by a, tan inverse of b by a. Okay, so in this transfer function, in the denominator equation, okay, 1 by a plus b, a plus j into b, you are finding the magnitude square root of a square plus b square. You are calculating the phase angle tan inverse B by A. Okay, so this is the process finding the magnitude and phase angle. So in the maximum resonant peak is, what is the definition of resonant peak? The maximum value of the gain magnitude which is in the closed loop transfer function. మనకిచ్చిన క్లోజ్డ్ లూప్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ లో మాక్సిమం మాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గర అయితే వస్తుందో విచ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద రెజోనెంట్ పీక్. ఓకే, సో m ఈక్వేషన్ magnitude you are differentiate, so the maximum value కావాలంటే ఏంటి, so that the condition is dm by du is equal to 0. Okay, so in the d by du of differentiate of the magnitude equation, so that differentiate a plus b whole square or minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus u square whole square by minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Again differentiate u terms. So in the maximum peak value is ur is equal to square root of 1 minus 2 meter square. Okay, so this is the process of, so I will explain very simple. ఇది ఒక్కటి చెప్తానమ్మా, నెక్స్ట్ నుంచి మీరు చేసేది. So in the standard form of closed loop second order system, C of S by R of S is equal to omega n square by S square plus 2 neta S omega n plus omega n square. So frequency response S is equal to j omega. Put S is equal to j omega. This is transfer function omega n square by S is replaced j omega. So j omega whole square plus 2 neta j omega into omega n plus omega n square. So j square means minus 1. So omega n square by minus omega square plus j into 2 neta omega omega n plus omega n square. Okay, so in the denominator omega n square is common, so omega n square in the numerator, omega n square is common, 1 last one plus j into 2 neta omega by omega n minus omega square by omega n square. Then amma, so in the numerator omega n square is cancelled. M of j omega is equal to 1 by 1 minus omega by omega n whole square plus j into 2 neta omega by omega n. So u is equal to, take in the normalized frequency omega by omega n, omega by omega n. So in the transfer function m of j omega is equal to 1 by 1 minus u square plus j into 2 neta u. Okay, so this is constant a, this is b. So 1 by a plus jb in the magnitude is square root of a square plus b square. In the phase angle is tan inverse P by A. Okay, so in the magnitude, so the modulus of M of J omega is equal to 1 by square root of A square. What is A square? 1 minus U square whole square plus what is B square? 2 neta U whole square. So 1 by square root of 1 minus U square whole square plus 4 neta square U square. So in the root is comes to the numerator. So 1 minus U square whole square plus 4 neta square U square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. So all of you clear? This is the magnitude. So the magnitude of 1 minus U square whole square plus 4 neta square U square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. Okay, so in the maximum value, what is the definition of the resonant peak? Resonant peak means the maximum magnitude in the closed loop transfer function. So మనకు వచ్చిన క్లోజ్డ్ లూప్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ లో మాక్సిమం మాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఎక్కడైతే వస్తుందో దాన్నే ఏమంటాం? రెజోనెంట్ పీక్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్ ఫర్ రెజోనెంట్ పీక్? సో ద కండిషన్ ఆఫ్ ద రెజోనెంట్ పీక్ ఈస్ dm by magnitude differentiate with respect to u equal to 0. Okay, so this is the process. Then the differentiate m with respect to u. So x power n formula d by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 into x, this is the x term whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 minus 1. It is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Into again differentiate u terms. So the 2 into 1 minus u square plus u square kadamma. So 8 eta square u. Okay. So in the minus power is comes to the denominator. So the dm by du equal to 0. What is the condition in the maximum peak over, maximum resonant peak? It is equal to 0. In the numerator term, minus 4 ur plus 4 ur power 3. So 8 plus 8 eta square u. Okay, so ur is square root of 1 minus 2 u eta square. So ur is substitute in the transfer function. Ur is substitute in the transfer function, comes to the maximum resonant peak. Okay, so what is the formula for a maximum resonant peak? So 1 by 2 neta into square root of 1 minus neta square. Okay, and the next derivation, resonant frequency. What is the definition of the resonant frequency? So the resonant frequency means the frequency at which occurs in the resonant peak. Resonant peak daggara vachina frequency ne resonant frequency antamanna. Okay, so indak manam normalized frequency తీసుకున్నాం. Normalized resonant frequency, you are assuming omega by omega n is equal to u. Okay, so you are taking the resonant omega r by omega n is equal to ur. Okay, so what is ur? Square root of 1 minus 2 neta square. So the resonant frequency omega r is equal to omega n into square root of 1 minus neta 2 neta square. So the resonant frequency omega r, this is the natural frequency omega n. So omega r equal to omega n into square root of 1 minus 2 neta square. And the third one, bandwidth. What is the definition of the bandwidth? So the bandwidth is minus 2 decibels occurred in the frequency is cutoff frequency. Okay, so minus 2 decibels దగ్గర వచ్చే frequency minus 2 is equal to 1 by square root of 2. 1 by square root of 2 or minus 2 decibels. So in the bandwidth is 1 by square root of 2 and the frequency, so already మనం ఇందాక చూసాం 1 by 1 minus u square whole square plus 4 neta square u square square root of, this is the magnitude enamma, this is the magnitude. So 1 by you are considered in the bandwidth, so ub, so this is the constant of ub is bandwidth, ub square whole square plus 4 neta square ub square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, so in the cross multiplication, square root of 2 is equal to this one. So in the square is cancelled in the both sides. So 2 is equal to, you are apply the a minus b whole square formula. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 1 square plus ub square whole square ub power 4 minus 2 into ub square plus 4 neta square ub square. Okay, so ub power 4 minus 2 ub square, so ub square is common, minus 2 plus 4 neta square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so ub power 4 మనం రూట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు కదమ్మా. సో ub square you are considered any constant x. So in this x you are taking x square plus 4 neta square minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? So calculate the roots. What is the root? This is the root. ub is square root of x and the bandwidth is omega n into 1 minus 2 neta square plus square root of 4 neta power 4 minus 4 neta square plus 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the bandwidth. And the law in the phase margin, next one, phase margin. So first, in the standard form of closed loop second order system is omega n square by s square plus 2 neta s omega n plus omega n square. So put s is equal to j omega. Put s is equal to j omega and s square is in the first term is yes, second term is yes. So s common తీసుకుందాం. ఎందుకంటే ఫేస్ మార్జిన్ అంటే ఏంటి? 180 degrees plus phase angle of gain crossover frequency. Phase angle of gain crossover frequency. So omega n square into j omega by omega n. So in this term, so in the normalized frequency, you are considered u is equal to omega by omega n. Okay, so 1 by j into omega by omega n is u value, and the j into u plus 2 neta. So the magnitude of g of j omega is so the magnitude of g of j omega is equal to 1 by this magnitude is 0 plus jb one term, and this is 2 neta plus j into u. Okay, so okay, so in the square root of 1 by a plus jb, so already magnitude choosam manam. 1 by square root of a square plus b square. So in the square root of a value enta 0 square plus u square into square root of a value enta ma 2 neta, so 4 neta square plus u square. So 1 by square root and square 2 is cancelled, u into square root of 4 neta square plus u square. 4 neta square plus u square. So in the phase angle is, so phase angle చూడండి, first term ki phase angle, so so first term phase angle, so idanukondi transfer function, phase angle 1 by tan inverse b by a. What is u? B value u. What is a value? 0. Tan inverse u by 0. And the next tan inverse of u by 2 neta. U by 2 neta. So the tan inverse u by 0 enta infinity. Okay. So in the first tan inverse infinity enta my angle 90 degrees. So in the denominator 90 degrees, it is coming to numerator minus 90 degrees, and minus tan inverse of u by 2 neta. This is the phase angle. Okay. So the phase angle is minus 90 degrees minus tan inverse u by 2 neta. Okay. So find the roots, same process, calculate the neta value and the phase angle also. Okay. So this is the define the time frequency domain